Trading 212. How to apply a stop and a stop limit. This protects the price of your shares if they drop and you're not watching them and you want them to be sold. Essentially, a stop is a price below the current price that converts your order to a market order. So as soon as the shares fall to a predetermined price, they'll go out to the market and be sold at the best possible price. A stop limit, it's similar to a stop. Once the shares reached your predetermined price, they'll go out to the market and be sold, but you'll have a limit price. So if the market is falling very quickly and you have said that you'd sell the shares for X amount and the price drops below that, you will hold your holding. So this actually protects your holding from being sold too cheap. There's one other thing which you may not be aware of. You can buy fractional shares using the Trading 212 platform. So this allows you to invest in companies where the share value is very high, but the only problem is you cannot apply stops or stop limits to fractional shares. If you've got more than one share, you can apply it to the whole number of shares but not to the fractions of shares. So that's just one thing for you to be aware of. So if you buy a fractional share in a high value company, you will not be able to apply a stop or a stop limit. Hope you found this useful. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. Any questions or comments will receive comments personally by me. Till next time, I bid you a very happy investing adventure.